Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to use your favorite song as your ringtone on Android, you're in the right place. This works on most Android phones, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along easily. So, first, go ahead and open Settings on your phone. From there, scroll down a bit and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Once that opens, tap on Ringtone and then choose My Sounds or Add from Device. Give it a second to load, and now just select the song you want to use as your ringtone. Once you tap it, you'll hear a preview and the ringtone will be set. Now, if your song doesn't show up here, make sure it's already downloaded on your phone. The file should be in MP3 format and saved in your music folder. After that, go back and repeat the same steps, and it should appear in the list. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Your favorite song is now set as your ringtone, and every time someone calls, you'll hear that instead of the default tone. If this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment if you got stuck anywhere,